now class. Up we have discussed about the information system, information technology, but are we able to get the benefits without incurring any cost? No, we have to incur the cost on the same. Now, if I am deciding to establish an information system class, so what are the initial costs I have to incur? So, there are two types of cost when you decided that you are going to establish an information system. These are initial cost and running cost. Now, initial cost may you have to incur the designing cost, development cost, purchase cost of new hardware, cost of testing and implementation of new system, and the training cost. For example, when LSBCA decided that they have to launch the smart board classes, okay, so in that case class, initial cost what we have to incur is designing, development of the system. We have to really buy the new hardwares, we have to train the staff in conducting the classes, and we have to incur the testing and implementation of the new systems. So these are the initial costs, but once the system is ready, do you think so that the costs are over now? Now we have to maintain the same, and we have to incur the running costs then. So class, what are the running costs we are going to incur? The employees who are actually involved in running the system, we have to pay them the salaries, right? Replacement parts. It is not like that. It's a system. It requires the maintenance. Some parts may be खराब हो जाए आपके, तो फिर in that case you have to basically spend on the replacement and the constant IT support. You have to incur the expenses on the IT support. Okay, but whenever you decide that okay, I want a system, then you have to class decide what are the costs which are going to incur, what are the benefits which we can have from an Ies system, and you are going to incur only class when according to you the benefits are higher and the costs are less. Then only you will be ready. Okay, now I'm ready, I'm definitely going to spend it because the benefits are more and the costs are less. Yes. Now, benefits of an Ies system. Yes, class. What are the benefits? If I have set up an Ies system, what are the benefits? Enhanced efficiency and capacity. I am able to do more work in less time. My capacity is going to increase. Better quality of information because I have collected the information, I have made myself tried that information should be collected from the reliable sources, so the better quality of information, better access to the information, okay, improved sharing of information. I am trying my level best that I should be able to share the information in a proper manner, better decision making, better quality, access of the information, and the better customer service. When you have collected all the information in a proper manner, you are able to give the customer the better services, right?